ராசி உனக்கு 4 மக்களுக்கு இருக்கு. என் கையும் ஓட்டா கை. பைசா வரும் போகும்.
I just finished this horoscope thing.
We are at
Southmost tip of India. It's just selling this nongu juice. It looks delicious. It is made out of this erode. I don't know what do we call it in English. Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel.
Look where we are.
We are in the middle of a farm in Kanyakumari, and those mountains are so beautiful.
This place is so beautiful. Trust me. The green farm, coconut trees around, mountains behind. There is a beautiful sunlight. We are just enjoying this view. We came little ahead in this highway and we found this Uppandal wind farm. This entire site is very beautiful. This is one of the largest onshore wind farm of India. It is also a third largest wind farm in the world. Very exciting, right?
These places are on the way to Tovalai Flower Market, which was supposed to be the biggest flower market in Asia. But after reaching there, we came to know it was not.
Big market Pune. Second market Hosur. Bangalore. Second Hosur and Bangalore.
But the flower market was big and we were told it was a redistribution center. But we had a nice interaction with locals. And if you are planning to buy flowers in Kanyakumari, you can come here for sure. It is very cheap and you will find wide variety of flowers here. After this, we visited Kanyakumari temple. Photography was prohibited inside the temple, so we were not able to shoot. It was a spiritual experience witnessing the beauty of Devi Kanyakumari.
Aishwarya.
இந்த கை உனக்கு அன்னை ரேகா பண ரேகா அமைஞ்சிருக்கும் நல்ல ரேகா ஆயுஸ் ரேகா 90 வயசுல இருக்கு. என்ன பிறந்தா நீ கட்டிய வீட்டுக்கு மகாலட்சுமி. போற வீட்டுக்கு மகாலட்சுமி. ராசி உனக்கு 4 மக்களுக்கு இருக்கு. இந்த கையும் ஓட்டா கை. பைசா வரும் போகும்.
I just finished this horoscope thing. They told many things. We couldn't understand everything. I understand little bit of Tamil, so some things I could understand.
So we'll put this in Insta, IGTV, or we might include in this vlog only what they spoke.
If you can translate, please translate it for me.
Please translate it for us. Translate it in comment section. We are outside of the temple.
It's very windy and now we'll take a ferry ride to Vivekananda Rock Memorial. When I came 4 years back, this place used to be so crowded. Like we waited in lines for like hours and then we got this ferry service. Right now there's nobody. It is completely empty.
And we are going to get on a ship now, and it looks crowded even though there were no people in the line, but this ship looks crowded. Let's see. It is so windy here at Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Kanyakumari.
It's a nice place. We have a great view from here. The ferry ride is also a very joyful ride.
We took a ferry back and explored Kanyakumari local market. You will find many artificial jewelry and arts made up of seashells here.
I bought one hat which I will wear in Hawaii.
I don't know for what she will. She'll not wear at all.
It was nice and it was so cheap.
Before we proceed further, please subscribe to our channel. We are going to get more content like this. Basically, 3 oceans meet here. That's why it is called Triveni Sangam.
Triveni Sangam.
So basically, Triveni means 3 and Sangam means where the
Merger.
Merger, yeah. You can literally see the one side the sea is very harsh and one side the sea is
Very calm
and-
and the difference in color as well. One side it is dark blue, other side it is light blue.
Next, we went to Padmanabhapuram Palace. Sadly, it was closing time, and guard over there rushed us. We could not see the palace completely. If you love history, you should definitely visit this place. It's old and has lot of history attached to it.
ஸ்வீட் வேணுமா வாங்க சேரலாம் சேரலாம் உட்காரலாம் போடலாம்ல ஆ இது நொங்கு ஜூஸ்
Mango juice.
कितना रुपया?
50 ஒரு கிளாஸ் 3 கிளாஸ் போடட்டுமா
So we were coming back from the Padmanabhapuram palace. So we saw just a small shop over here. There are plenty of shops in this highway which are selling this nongu juice. It looks delicious. It is made out of this erode. I don't know what do we call it in English. So let me try. What's nice?
Very good. On the rate of 1 to 10.
I would rate it 8.
8. So good.
Yeah, it's different. There's some flavor of sharbat with erode. So it's nice.
Update. Aish liked it. She gave it an 8. But I didn't like it so much. It was good. It has a different taste. I would give it an 6 or somewhere 6. Initial part it was good, right? When I ate, but
First
then
part it is good.
Yeah.
Later it will be just syrup,
yeah.
where the sweetness increases
Yes.
and the natural flavor of erode disappears.
That's how our day 1 in Kanyakumari went. We are yet to go for dinner. Except dinner, the today's expense was we did not spend anything on breakfast because we ate peanut butter and bread and some fruits. So that will come up around 150, 500 for our lunch, and then 150 for Vivekananda Memorial boat ticket. And on the Padmanabhapuram Palace, we spent around 230 rupees, including everything.
Yeah.
So, and on the way back, we drank some juice,
Nungu juice.
So that was around 50 rupees. So today's expenses, including our fuel, the car fuel, which is a little bit on a higher side because car consumes more fuel. So if you're coming in bike, then it would be very very cheaper. So including that, it might have costed us not more than 1,800 rupees for 3 people.
Yeah.
So if you are in 4 people, then it might cost little less,
Less.
For fuel.
So the room costed us only 2,200 for 2 nights for 3 people, and this is a AC room. So if you consider per person, it is like per night 200 250.
Yeah, 300 odd. But if you are 4 people, then it would be even less. This was our newer resolution, as I have spoken in the first video. If you have not watched our first video, please go and click on this banner. Keep watching our video. Please show us some love. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.
Thank
Take
you so
care.
much. Bye. Take care.